Hey there, how we all doing today? Today we're checking out Seiko Turtle. This is the SRPK01, and this new PADI series is really quite stunning. You know, you look at the Samurai, you look at this one, just the blues are right on target there. And then there was also the Sumo with the PADI on it, and this new blue series. I think they took the idea of the Professional Association of Diving Instructors and really kind of put it up to the next level with these blue dials. Just really sharp looking. Here you got all the paperwork there under the stuff, but let's take a look at the watch itself. Now, the dial has got this really beautiful blue on it. We'll go through the standards here. You can see the band. This one comes with the metal band. The Samurai comes with the silicone band. And here on the dial is the real heart of the watch. When you take a look at it, trying to move it around here for a little bit, it looks like you're underwater, and then you see the surface of the water, the reflections of the light coming through. So I'll move the watch a little more for you so you can take a look at it. The powerhouse behind this watch is the 4R36. Seiko's just been using the 4R series as their main workhorse for a lot of different stuff. You got a lot of Seiko 5s with it, and your turtles, your samurais, the 35 or the 36. And right here, this is what they call the King Turtle. It's got affectionately called the King Turtle. It has the upgrades of the ceramic bezel insert and the sapphire crystal. Those are both upgrades over the traditional turtle, which has the mineral crystal and the standard metal insert on it. And this one, of course, has a little magnifier you can see there. And here, when I move the watch, you can start to see that reflective underside surface. You see it there. Again, with me moving the watch around here, it's just real subtle, but it's just, when you've been underwater and you're looking up at it, it kind of gives you that same feeling, which is a hard thing to do on just a dial of a watch. We've seen other things they've done with just different kind of gradients and stuff. You've had the watches with the rays on them and stuff like this, but this one really gives you that kind of underwater feel. And then the dark blue with the light blue, just a really nice watch, especially at the price point. The distance between the lugs, if you want to switch this out, put a silicone band on it. It's 22 millimeters, and yeah, there you go. Got it right there in the light. You can see the reflective kind of surface there on. It looks like you're looking up at the water surface. This is a special edition. It's written special edition on the case back, and special edition again is not a limited edition. It's more of a production time that they're going to release this watch, and this is part of their PADI series. My wrist is about a 7.5 inch wrist, and the size on the turtle is 45 millimeters, and lug to lug 47.7 millimeters, and the thickness is 13.2. The sizes are a little bit bigger on some of these samurais and turtles than maybe the 65 or the 68, but the wrist presence looks well there, but it fits great. The way the lugs are kind of tucked under and bend towards your wrist, it's really comfortable. Sometimes you get a watch where the lugs are sticking out and it just kind of pulls up from your wrist. This is great. So it's got a small watch feel with a bigger watch look. And here you got the beautiful loom again, and Just really sharp looking. Again, you know, this thing, it lights up the room how bright the Seiko Lume is. And there you can see the little marker at the 3 o'clock. It's there. It's really faint, but that's where the date is there. So you can see it. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I appreciate it. If you're looking for a Seiko watch, check us out at depalas.com. And this watch is 24 joules and a power reserve of 41